How to use shapes in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool from the Design panel and it'll bring up a list of shapes. Step 2. Click on the shape you want to use and it'll be instantly added to the canvas. Step 3. You can resize the shape by dragging the bottom right arrow in or out while making sure that the lock on the lower left handle is closed. Step 4. To create other shape designs, select the lock icon in the lower left corner, then drag the shape to the desired design. Step 5. To change the color of the shape, click the color icon in the Layers panel and select a color of your choice. Step 6. If you wish to make it a print and cut, click on the print icon and select a pattern. Step 7. You can also add a score line to the project. To do this, click on the Shapes tool in the Design panel and select Score Line. Step 8. The score line signifies where to fold the cut materials. You can rotate it and change the length to get it to exactly where you want it to be. Step 9. Select the shape and the line, then click on Attach on the bottom right side of the screen to attach them together. Step 10. If you wish to delete the shape, simply click on the red X on the upper left side of the shape. Step 11. You can also select your shape in the Layers panel and click on the Delete button. Step 12. If you don't want the shape to be cut or printed, click the shape in the Layers panel and click on the eye icon. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com. or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.